What is the criminal code in the state of California for DUI? Generally speaking, in the state of California, there are two main criminal code as it relates to DUI. And the criminal code, interesting enough, falls in the California Vehicle Code. So California Vehicle Code 23152A is one of the most common DUI arrests and or charges that law enforcement typically make. And that is driving under the influence of alcohol. Another form of charges that the district attorney typically charges and or the state typically charges is California Vehicle Code 23152 subdivision B, which states essentially it is illegal for a person to drive while having a blood alcohol level of a 0.08 and or above. Now, these two charges are typically charged for one DUI, and it's usually like a catch-all for most states. The goal with your particular case is to see if you could try to get one of them or both of them dismissed and or reduced. Again, all this is going to depend on the evidence that's presented that they potentially can have and to see if there's any particular weaknesses. There's always ways to try to mitigate the case, but some of the most popular defenses is no drive. Was there any evidence of a person driving? Were you not driving? That's going to be very significant. Also, at the time of driving, what was your blood alcohol level? Was your blood alcohol level 0.08 and above? This is all going to depend on how much alcohol you've congested. All depends on your body physiology as well too. This could be also conveyed through an expert, through a forensic toxicologist, in determining at the time of driving whether or not you had a blood alcohol level of 0.08 and above. Also, was the investigation done correctly? Did they have a basis for this stop? Did they have a basis to conduct further investigation? And or overall, did they have probable cause to make an arrest? Sometimes law enforcement will make an arrest despite having zero evidence of a person being under the influence, such as there's no evidence of the person being under the influence or any objective symptoms of intoxication, such as slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, alcohol odor, and etc., or unsteady gait. Now, these are all facts and circumstances that need to be assessed based off of the case, but these are factors. Also, was a physical sobriety test done? If there wasn't, that's also lacking probable cause for an arrest and all potential weaknesses for a particular trial. If you're facing a DUI, it's very important that you contact an experienced California DUI defense attorney to actually assess your case, but also provide you with the best defense and best outcome for your case. At Charlotte Law Firm, we're here to help.